Bismillah. Nice. Good. Nice, right? Kita buat satu loop sampai dekat sana.
Guys, we're doing 3 laps.
3 laps?
Yeah.
Hui. Wah, kita orang nak makan steamboat. Sekali kena beratur. So malam ni malam Christmas. Wow, dekat Star Park Central ni ada akses ke taman. Nice gila, sunset. Wow. Nice. So chill. Lepas tu terus masuk mall. Aku record pakai Osmo Action 6 and pakai D-Log. Cantik gila kan warna. Semua color pop up. Merah, oranye, kuning. Oh. Hi Malik. Let's go.
It means that if you look better, you get treated better by other people.
Here, look, I can pick up the spoon. Where's the spoon?
This one spicy, this one no spicy.
This one ramen, sorry. That one don't. Which one do you want?
Sushi. So ni kita punya menu hari ni. Baca doa Malik. Malik baca doa.
That's my one.
Amin. Daging ni lepas tu pusing macam ni. Lepas tu kita rendam je. Dalam 1 minit macam tu dah boleh makan.
You can cook someone, yeah?
Bismillah. Nice. Good. Nice, right? Malik kaki sakit, jatuh tadi. Kesian dia. Lasak sangat. Alhamdulillah, kenyang. Kenyang Malik. Aiskrim time. So Samir, nice. So Mama, nice. Aku pernah makan dekat Pak John. Aku rasa Pak John lagi banyak ada pilihan, lagi sedap. Aku first time try Sukiya ni. Tapi okey lah, harga dia berapa tadi ya? RM45 untuk dewasa. Kalau kanak-kanak bawah 11 tahun 50%. Pencuci mulut last kali kita makan aiskrim. 3 adult, 2 kids. QR.
QR scan please.
2, 6, 4, 5. Sukiya, okay. Thank you. Receipt. Shahrukh Khan. Lepas ni kita jalan-jalan sikit guys. Ambil angin malam.
For me 1 round, for you guys 3 rounds, not me.
Hell no, that ain't fair. If you walk barefoot, then with school shoes. Yeah. Because my feet are just naturally.
Ui, cantik. Apa nama taman ni? Aku pun tak tahu. Tapi dia dekat Star Park. Taman Tasik Danau Kotek. Cuaca cantik hari ni.
I'm gonna find my stick back.
Okay.
Malik.
Kita buat satu loop
I want to do 3 laps.
sampai dekat sana.
Guys, we're doing 3 laps.
3 laps?
Yeah.
Hui. Tasik ni 1.2 km. Kalau pusing satu loop. Kita hampir berjaya 1 lap. Oh, nice. Dia punya gravity. Bandar Perintis rendah karbon. Apa sayang?
Thirsty.
Thirsty. Okay. We find some drink. Let's go.
Can we just skip over here?
Skip?
Yeah, over here.
No lah, that way lah. Tadi semangat nak 3 round. Ha?
No.
1 round pun tak larat. Apple lah.
Want anymore?
Tahu pun. Yeah. Kita sudah sampai. One loop. Terjerit-jerit Mia. Tadi nak sangat. Oh.